I got it. I got it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, there's another one. Hi there. How are ya?
And there's Mickey Mouse too.
Mickey Mouse too. Ooh.
We can take a picture together.
Oh, that's cute. I gotta change Dash. She is stinky. Oh my
I'm
goodness.
stinky too.
Oh, oh
Some
no.
pee and poop.
Oh, thanks. That's nice to know. Is that nice to know?
And I see.
Hi, good morning.
Daisy.
Hi, Dashy. All right, gotta change him. Hi.
What?
You having a snack?
Yeah.
Yeah? What you doing with that?
That's. I put it in the trash.
Oh. 7-second thoughts?
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Nice job. It's so weird having kids old enough that they can do things on their own, like throwing their own trash away. Or like yesterday, Oliver was cleaning up a spill he made in the bathroom. Not a bad spill, just like a water spill, don't worry. And it's just so weird because I feel like a week ago I was cleaning up his messes. He couldn't even wipe his own mouth like with a napkin, and all of a sudden this week he's like an adult basically. He's cleaning up his own messes, picking up his own toys and trash, and I mean not all the time, but it's baby steps. It's okay with me. It's progress, and that's all right. But now we gotta work on this guy, right? Jeez, still need to wear a bib. What a baby. Yeah.
With a
But it's okay because you're cute. You're cute.
With a baby named
A
Dad.
baby named Dash. That's right. And what's your name?
Nalagay.
Oh, that's cool. What's your real name?
Oliver.
Oliver. And who is this guy? Who are you? Say, I'm curious. No, I'm Dash. And I'm cute. And we're having a snack.
What are these?
Those are Zootopia snacks. 'Cause in this house we do Disney. Disney Castle over there. Disney Kid here. Disney Baby here. Disney Mom here. Right?
We're not Disney.
We're not. Well, what
No.
are we?
We're Mommy.
Oh, yes, that's right. We are Mommy, Oliver, and Dash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Daddy.
right. And Daddy. Daddy's like, that's all right. He's coming home soon. And we still haven't taken down this sign we made a few weeks ago. He was out of the country, and we made this for him. Because we're cute. We're gonna show Daddy. Here it comes.
Wow.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! You gotta shoot him! You gotta shoot him! Oh no! I had to pull mine back. Dang it!
Whoa!
You only shot him one time. What?
What?
Oh,
You want
and
this back?
they actually had one. They left it. I've been
Oh.
betrayed.
Hey.
Oh!
That is a last resort.
Oh, listen. Quiet. It whistles.
So whistle. You guys don't throw stuff in my kitchen.
Oh, sorry.
Can you pull this again?
Okay. Ready? Pull really hard. 1, 2, 3. Pull. No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. No. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Let's do it again.
Oh!
Oh, don't shoot the baby. Right in the butt.
No.
Hi. What's wrong?